Welcome to my garden, part 5. So, part 5, I'm going to be picking some crops. So here is my scissors. Please don't use these at home, since I know how to use them. And this is my basket. So right now my scissors is locked, so I can't play with it. And let me show you how to unlock it. So there's lock and open. I slide this to open, and I can open it. So right now I'm going to put it on lock. So first, I'm going to get this tomato over here. This one is almost ready, but there's still some poison in it. So green and orange tomatoes, don't pick them. Don't pick and eat them because they have poison inside. Red ones are ready to eat, so they don't have poison. So just so you know, tomatoes, you don't need scissors. You could just use your hand. And we're gonna put it right into my basket over here. But before you eat, you have to wash it. So now,
A flower?
so right now you can look around to flowers that I have at my home.
That was a good one. The one you just saw. And it's easy to pick, right?
There.
I mean that one. You don't like that one?
Okay.
That one is easy to pick.
I thought you were allergic.
I'm fine.
This one or this one? One or two? Let's do
Anyone is fine.
Okay. So make sure not to cut the whole plant. Make sure to have the leaves still on so that it could get sunlight, just in case it can't just like grow new leaves. Remember the stem, because the leaves go onto the stem. So let me show you the parts of the flower. So right here, this thing that holds it up is called the stem. It connects to underground things that are also like roots, but multiple roots. They collect water. They're underground, so that's why people water the soil, and they are called roots. So right here are the leaves. They're on the stem. Here is the flower. And also, there are also some things like this, tomato. Veggies or fruits grow on plants, right? They're to protect the seeds, the baby seeds, before they fall into ground and sprout new plants. And buds, they don't do the same. They do a familiar job than the veggies and the fruits. But instead, they protect the baby leaves that are about to come out instead of the seeds that are going to germinate or sprout. So now I already picked the purple one. So
Do you want to get a blue one over there? This one. Maybe this one.
This one?
There's another blue one over there.
Okay, guys. So now let's go to this blue one. So we have a purple one, a blue one, and a tomato. So you maybe can't see.
Oh, can you cut the stem longer from the bottom? Yeah. Yep. Okay. I think that's enough, right?
Okay, guys. So now there's some more flowers that we have down there. But first, you see those orange flowers? I'm gonna go pick them. I'll maybe do one of each type. That one fell. Oh, and also, when you put water into flower pots, to make sure to put water and sugar into the water in the flower pot, because that can actually help the plants. And make sure not to eat the sugar, because we don't want you having sugar rush.
I don't know what that is.